Alright ladies, today is self-test day. We're going to start with measuring our diastasis recti, and we're going to come back to this video every 4 weeks hereafter until we are totally healed. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to measure at the belly button, 2 inches above and 2 inches below. And I'll just say 2 knuckles above and 2 knuckles below. Lift your head ever so slightly off the ground, just enough to feel firing of your rectus abdominis, these muscles here, okay? The thing is, if you lift up a little bit, you'll know how wide apart your diastasis is. If you lift up all the way, you could actually bring your muscles close together, and that can give you an inaccurate reading. So, just lift it just enough to where you feel the rectus abdominis fire. So even just here, I feel firing, and I want to now measure between those 2 ridges, the inner ridges of the 6-pack, the rectus abdominal wall, okay? So I'm going to lift my head at the belly button on 1 fingertip width apart, 2 knuckles above, 1 fingertip width apart, 2 knuckles below, again on 1 fingertip width apart, just by lifting just a little bit, okay? Now I want to see how deep it feels in the center. So at my belly button, now don't press hard. This is weakened, damaged tissue, so you don't want to jab down into there. So at the belly button, I'm going to lift, and I'm feeling a little less than a knuckle deep at the belly button. I'm going to go 2 knuckles down. And let's see. It's feeling a little bit stronger. That's exciting. I'm 7 months postpartum after my baby number 4, so I can tell that I'm getting a lot better. That's exciting. Okay, I am again less than a fingertip depth, or less than 1 knuckle deep. I'm going to go 2 knuckles above now. And here is just like a fingertip. I'm getting a lot of bounce there. Very firm. So that's what we're looking for. Be sure to write your results down so that we can compare it every 4 weeks. Alright, see you in 4 weeks.